If you've been looking for ways to install lots of Kodi forks, then this video is for you because I'm going to show you a code that you can use to install tons of different Kodi forks. And if you are someone who's interested in something like that, then make sure to watch this video right up to the end because it's going to be a full guide on how to install Kodi forks to your TV, either you're using a Fire Stick or Android TV. This is very helpful. If you find it useful, make sure to subscribe, share, and like the video for more important videos like this. So, I'm going to show you everything. So watch step by step and watch carefully. So if you are interested in installing the Kodi Fox, if you're a Kodi fan and want to install Kodi Fox, you can install as an add-on to Kodi. This is exactly what you can do on your Android TV, and I'm going to show you everything. So let's start by installing the Kodi application. And once to install the Kodi application, we need the downloader application. We know how important downloader is on Android TV or Fire TV. So on your Android TV, this is how you can install downloader. Now in my case, I don't have Google Play Store, so I'm going to use my Google to install downloader. To do that, I go over to my browser and I search for downloader on my browser. The reason I'm using my browser to search for downloader is because I don't have the Google Play Store on my Android TV, but I can use my browser to search for a downloader, and I'm going to see results like this, and I'm going to install from my browser. So I can go over here, here's downloader, and I can install downloader from my browser. So here's the option here. I can just go over here and click on it, downloader AFT news. So as I click here, it brings me to the web version of Google Play Store. And since my TV is an Android TV, I can install the app from here and it's going to work on my TV. This is because my TV is an Android TV. If you have a smart TV, this is not going to work, please. This only works on Android TV. So we're just going to quickly wait for the application to install. We're going to use the application to install Kodi, and also I'll show you where you can download the Kodi for still using the download application. So just wait for the application to completely download to our Android TV. You can move ahead. Please, if you find this video helpful, you know what to do. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share for more videos like this. I create videos like this almost every day. So you might want to subscribe to my YouTube channel and drop a thumbs up button. So code we have downloaded the downloader app. Now it's installing. Once it's done installing, we're going to launch and then go ahead. So once you go over here, just open the application. Once you open the application for your first time, this is how it should look like. Now I'm not going to waste a lot of time explaining what the application do. You know what downloader does. Once you go over here, let's go here straight to where we can install the Kodi application because that's what you need. So if you don't know how to install Kodi, you can just go over here and type in this code 730116. Now the reason I'm giving you this code is for you to install the Kodi app. So once you go over here, just launch. It's going to bring you to a website where you can install the Kodi application. The reason I'm giving you a website and not a Kodi direct link is because with the Kodi direct link, the link might get expired or the Kodi might go outdated. If you use a website, the website creator is always going to update that website so that you continually get the application on its latest version. So once you are here, here's the website. This website has lots of other applications, but since we're interested in just Kodi, we're going to scroll to the bottom. So just go over here and scroll to the bottom to where you see media players. So go over here, you're going to see media players, and then you're just going to browse down here, and you can see here's Kodi over here. Sorry, I'm kind of like blurring the others. So here's Kodi here. Just go over here and click on it once. Once you click on it once, this is what is going to happen. It's going to start downloading straight away to your Android TV. So you see the application is 67 megabytes. So you can wait for it to download on your Android TV and they can install straight away. So this is how it is. Once the application is done downloading here, you can go ahead and install the Kodi application to your Android TV. Now that we already know how to install the Kodi application, so how do we get the Kodi Fox? That's what I'm about to show you now. While the application is downloading, you can go ahead now to get the Kodi Fox. So what you do is, so for me to go to where we get the Kodi Fox, go to return home. to come back home, and then we're going to type in a code here. So here's a code. Please follow attentively. The code is 447 120. So here's a code to get where we can install tons of Kodi Fox. So type in the code I launch. Just wait for it to install or to load perfectly. So once the code load, it brings you here, and this is where you can get a tons of Kodi Fox. All of these are Kodi Fox they can install or download. So as you can see, the website it says nothing but Kodi Fox here. So there are only Kodi Fox in this website here. So if you're looking for tons of them that are different, you see different versions of Kodi Fox that people have created. And if you're a Kodi fan, you can choose whichever one you want to install here. So as you come over to your website, the first thing you should do is to come over to the top here and add this website to favorite. So that next time as you come over to your website, you don't need to type in the code, you just have to add to favorite. And then when you come over to your TV, if you come to your website the next time, all you have to do is go over to your option here that says favorites. You're going to see the Kodi website here, and you click on it, and it's going to bring you back to where we are or where we were. So back to here. So here are the Kodi Fox. Now if you want to install anyone, all you have to do, for instance, if I take a sample like this, all I have to do is just click on it once, and it's going to start downloading to my TV or to my Android TV. As you can see, it starts downloading straight away. So most of these stuff are heavy, it take a while. This one is 72 megabytes to download. Now depending on your internet speed, it can take download in 5 minutes or 2 minutes or whatever. So this is how you download the Kodi Fox, and once it's done downloading, you can go ahead now and install to your Android, to your Kodi app as an add-on. If you don't know how to install that, then you can check that on YouTube, or there's a video. I'm going to create a video on how to install a Kodi add-on soon. So this is how you install the Kodi Fox, and then you go ahead now and install it to your Kodi and can use it without any issues. So as I said, there are tons of Kodi Fox here that you can install. Most of them are affordable. There are tons of Kodi Fox here that you can install. Most of them are going to be good for you. So you don't need to install all of them. You don't need to download all of them. You just need to download one that works for you, and then go ahead and add it to your Kodi, and you're good to go. So that's it about this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this.